Hello students, good morning to one and all. Once again we are back for this chapter of your English textbook, that is the passive voice. So that day we had begun. This is the second part of this chapter. So welcome to all of you to the second part of this chapter, the passive voice. So if we remember, then if we recollect, then we can very well we can come to know that up to where we had finished. So if you have this book, okay, this one for 8th standard, then you can turn the pages also to 16 pages, and then this paragraph number is 6th. Okay, so in the last class we had discussed about the discussion between this author and her sister. Okay, about which one? About question tag. So about question tag we had finished whatever the discussion they had. Okay, so now today we are in this part, or this new part, we are going to have another type of grammar discussion, that is the passive voice. Okay, so let me read and explain to you. The next evening my sister started off on the passive voice. Do you know, she said, that the passive voice is used to when we are not sure who has done the action, or when it is not important to know who has done the action. For example, she raised a very high active voice as if she was in a huge classroom talking to 700 students, and continued, if mom calls you from the next door and asks, have you two finished? You can always say, the milk has been drunk. You are not telling lie, because I have finished my milk. See, you have only used the passive voice. So in the next evening, okay, the sister of author started discussion about the passive voice. Then she asked, and then the sister of author told her that one the rules and regulation of passive voice. Okay, so और एक दिन क्या सिस्टर सॉरी ऑथर का क्या बहन क्या पूछती के पासिव वॉइस के बारे में पूछती है. ओके, देन दिस sisters then her younger sister told that one we use passive voice when we are not sure of the thing, when we are not sure of who has done the thing. Okay, so in that case we use the passive voice. Then she also gives the example. Okay, example she gives what? If mom calls you from the next room and asks, have you two finished? You can always say, the milk has been drunk. So here क्या passive voice का okay, passive voice क्या example दे रही है, किसका? author को दे रही है. क्या ये example है, the milk has been drunk. Okay, this is what the example of a passive voice. Okay, the next one. Just then mother did call out from the next door, but her question was, have you both finished your milk? My sister said, I have finished my milk and now I am going out to play. And as she went past my chair, she whispered, I am using the active voice now. In this example, it is very, very important to know who has done the action. So, at the same time, okay, as they were discussing about the passive voice, there was a call from mom from other room that have you both finished the milk? Then this author's sister answered, I have finished my milk and I am going out to play. Okay, so this one, but here she did not use the passive voice, rather she used active voice. And in the active voice rule also, you know it. Okay, the author sister also tells her that one, in the active voice we need to know the person who has done. That is more important in the active voice. Okay, then next paragraph. Traitor, betrayer. I hissed, but what was the use? She wasn't there, didn't she? And she is 5 years younger than me, aren't I? Then here the author used traitor or as a betrayer, because author expected that one her sister will make a statement of a passive voice. Okay, but she made use only the active voice. Therefore, author is a little, annoyed, and told the traitor and a betrayer. Okay, that's why she told this word. Traitor means one who is not faithful to. Yes, one who is not faithful, or also one who is not trustworthy. They are called what? A traitor. Okay, or also betrayer. Then, but she got angry. But during that time, she was not there. She had gone out. Next one. The next day, another one of the strange things happened at school. We had our grammar period right after lunch, as usual. And guess what we are doing? The passive voice. Yes, the very same, the inactive passive voice. Actually, we are sort of revising the lesson, because we had, of course, learnt it many years ago. We are not learning it for the first time like my sister was. And it was definitely on a higher level of passive. It was terribly boring and also much worse because sitting next to me on the bench was Jia. See, remember that day I told her all the characters what the author has taken. So one of the characters is Jia. Okay, her classmate, who author's classmate. So who is even bougier than my sister, if that is possible. Every time the teacher asked a question, Jia flung her arm up to answer and almost knocked me down with her two huge thick plates. Plates, no, what plates means usually when the girls they have long hair and when they have long hair, that time they tie it in a long way. Okay, and different ways they have their own way of decorating their hairs. Okay, so that is called what? Plaits. Okay, so she never gave Jia. She never gave anyone else a chance, and she always got the right answer. In between, she whispered loudly to her friend Pia. Okay, another character. Remember, already that day I had written the characters on the blackboard. Okay, the previous video if you see, then you will have no doubt regarding characters. Then saying things like boys are fools and do not know anything except playing the fool. So on the following day, there was a discussion, in the classroom. Whose classroom? The author's classroom. About which one? About passive voice. So remember that. Before that class, they had a discussion with her younger sister about the passive voice. But today, on the next day, when they had a discussion in the classroom itself, that was also in the passive voice. But it was a high level passive voice, not a low level one. Okay, and they were revising the lessons. They were not studying for the first time as her younger sister was studying. Okay, so एक दिन क्या हुआ, एक क्लास में ऑथर्स का क्लासरूम में क्या पासिव वॉइस के बारे में क्या डिस्कशन हो रहे थे. ये क्या ऑथर्स और उसके क्लासमेट्स पहली बार ये नहीं पढ़ रहे थे, लेकिन सिर्फ रिवीजन हो रहे थे. ओके, दैट टाइम व्हाट हैपेंड दैट जिया, Jia and Pia, her classmates, they were sitting just in front of the author. So whenever the teacher used to ask questions, Jia used to get up, with the right answer. So when she used to get up, that time the plaits, the long hair, the long hair used to disturb, touching on the face of the author. And she also, Jia also used to tell her friend that Pia, boys are fools. क्या जैसे बॉयज लोगों को कुछ नहीं पता, सिर्फ खेलना ही आता है, कुछ नहीं आता है. सिर्फ हमको ही आता है, इसलिए हम ही बोलते हैं। ऐसे क्वेश्चन क्या जिया और पिया के बीच में क्या डिस्कशन हो रहे थे, ये दैट इज व्हाट द ऑथर हैड इट। ओके, देन इट वाज सो अनोइंग, okay, so annoying, and the author also was disturbed. Then next one, after this went on for almost half the period, I got really mad. Every 2 minutes I felt those thick ropes of hair slicing off bits of my ear nearest to her, and the bench groaned as she jumped up to answer and jumped down to sit and whispered to her friend Pia. Then Jia's plates would slap my shoulder hard, and Pia's plates, shorter and thinner but broad enough, would tickle Nick's John, who was sitting behind her. Jia and Pia, a fine pair. So, as there were questions on discussion from the part of the teacher. Okay, there was English teacher, and then said that Jia, Pia, and Nick. Okay, so these are what author's classmates. These two are what friend. Okay, then this is the friend of the author. So whenever the teacher used to ask a question, that time what Jia and Pia, they used to get up and answer about the passive voice. Okay, so whenever जब ये जिया और पिया जब उठते थे उसी समय क्या ऑथर को what this plates, okay, plates used to touch on her face, and she was disturbed. Okay, so even because Jia's hair was so long, but Pia's hair was short, but still then it was disturbing to Nick's. Okay, Nick is an author's friend, okay, or as a classmate. Okay, that is this meaning of this paragraph. The next one, it took only one glance at Nick's and some clever acrobatics to do what had to be done. Then Nick's and I sat back and looked innocently grammarian-like. Okay, so this is what this is. Jia and Pia, they were continuously answering. Okay, जो सब क्वेश्चन का आंसर सिर्फ ये दोनों लोग देते थे, क्या पासिव वॉइस का, और ऑथर और उसके दोस्त क्या निक, सिर्फ वेट करो देख रहे थे। ओके, दैट इज द मीनिंग। द नेक्स्ट वन, at the next question, when Jia shot up here and jumped up to answer, there was a loud long scream, and Pia, as her plate followed Jia's plate, and the top of her head crushed into Jia's jaw. My hair, my teeth, my ear, screamed Jia. Screamed means shouting. Okay, shouting with a pain. Okay, shouting because of pain. So, yeah, Nick or else author, what they did means they were sitting just behind of Jia and Pia. So what they did, they tied Jia's plate, plates and Pia's plates, बाल, दोनों का बाल क्या ऑथर एक दोनों को एक मिलाकर एक से क्या बांध दिया, या प्लेट्स और बाल को। So it was tied together. Then when this next question was asked by the teacher, that time when she got up, because they were not knowing that their hair was tied by Nick and author. So whenever she used to whenever she got up, immediately that time both of them were both the head, what Jia said and Pia said, touched like this. Then there was a scream. There was screaming. Who? This is Jia screamed that, oh my hair. Then another one, her friend Pia also shouted that one, oh my teeth and ears. So this is what happened. The next one. By the time the screaming stopped and the two plates were disentangled, it was almost time for the next period. But our English grammar teacher said that she had to get to the bottom of this before she left the class, and asked Nick and me to stand up. What is your explanation? She asked. Okay. Then when teacher came to know that one about this incident, then the English teacher was when almost the class was coming to an end. Okay. By this time the class was coming to an end, but before leaving the class, the school teacher wants to know. Okay. Wants to know क्या हुआ उन दोनों लोगों का बीच में क्या हुआ, ये कैसे हो गया. Okay, ये जानना चाहते थे. कौन? School teacher. Okay. Then next one. Nick looked sideways at me and then down. I looked sideways at him and was also about to look down when I suddenly remembered my infuriating sister. And in my best passive voice I said, Mom, the two plates were discovered to have been tied together. It was an unfortunate incident and has to be thoroughly investigated. Any information that leads to the identity of the culprits will be welcomed and kept confidential. The bell clanged just as I finished. I still don't know why the teacher said nothing for a minute, and then smiled and left the class. Maybe she was in a hurry to get her next class. Maybe she had to, maybe she too had got tired of Jia's voice. But when I think she was really impressed by my knowledge of the passive voice and then finally structured example I had given. So in this paragraph, what is the teacher is investigating the reason behind this is Jia and Pia. Then teacher asked Nick and the author to explain what went wrong. Then Jia, then author remembered her younger sister, saying that on how naughty she was. Then she understood that one, my sister, it is good that she did not come to my school, she went to the progressive school. Otherwise she would have been as naughty as this Jia and Pia. Okay. Then when the teacher asked the reason to explain about this one, then the author also replied with a beautiful passive voice. Then the teacher just smiled and went for the next class. Okay. Then the last paragraph of today's. I realize now that my parents took a very good decision when they sent my sister to a progressive school. I am learning many new things. For example, that it is better my sister does not attend my school and get to meet Zia and Pia. So at last the author herself was very happy. Okay, that her younger sister went to the progressive school and learned something. Okay, so this is how this chapter comes to an end. Okay, the passive voice. Okay, khatam ho gaya. So the question and the answer. Okay, and next class we shall discuss, and I will write all the question and the answer and then send it to all of you in the PDF form. So thank you so much for listening the class. Let nothing disturb your learning or studying amid this corona outbreak. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.